Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. In today's episode, I will talk about feminine energy. Feminine energy, often associated with qualities like nurturing, creativity, intuition, and empathy, can be affected by various factors that disrupt its balance and flow. So, healing feminine energy involves addressing these disruptions to restore a sense of harmony and well being. Many cultures impose rigid gender roles that can suppress authentic feminine expression. And these expectations might prioritize submission, self sacrifice, or even silence over empowerment and self expression. So, healing involves recognizing and challenging these limiting beliefs and reclaiming the right to express oneself fully and freely. So, experiences of trauma, whether physical, emotional, or psychological, can deeply affect one's feminine energy. Healing these wounds requires acknowledging the pain, seeking support, and engaging in practices that foster self love and also forgiveness. Feminine energy is deeply connected to the cycles of nature and the rhythms of our body. So modern lifestyle often leads to disconnection from these natural rhythms, and reconnecting with nature through activities like gardening, walking, or simply spending time outdoors can help. Also, body center practices like yoga, dance, or my program, Healing Depths, can really help in that connection. So, creativity is a fundamental aspect of feminine energy. When this creativity is stifled or undervalued, it can lead to a feeling of emptiness or frustration. So, cultivating creative outlets, whether through art, writing, music, or other forms of expression, is essential for healing. The nurturing aspect of feminine energy often extend outwards, leading individuals to prioritize others over themselves. This can result in burnout and resentment. Healing involves establishing strong self care routines, setting boundaries, and learning to receive as well as give. So, feminine energy is closely linked to intuition and inner wisdom. In a world that often values logic over intuition, this inner voice can be completely in silent mode. Practices like meditation, journaling, or simply taking quiet time to listen to one's inner thoughts can help re-establish this connection. And everyone has both masculine and feminine energies, and a healthy balance is crucial. Healing requires integrating both energies, allowing for a harmonious blend of strength and sensitivity, action and receptivity. Feminine energy thrives in community and connection, sharing experiences, offering mutual support, and celebrating each other's successes can reinforce a sense of belonging and empowerment. Also, healing feminine energy is a beautiful process that involves self awareness, compassion, and intentional practices. By addressing these aspects, individuals can cultivate a more balanced, fulfilling, and empowered expression of their feminine energy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next episode. Have a lovely day.